Hey there, time to fine-tune your Zoom audio settings. Even if you're already a Zoom Meetings pro, a quick check never hurts to make sure you're sounding crystal clear. Let's jump in. Open up your Zoom desktop application. In the upper right corner, spot your profile image. Click on it, and then give a friendly tap to Settings. Ta-da! The Settings window appears. Feel like a tech wizard yet? Now, in the left navigation, find and click on Audio. Ready to rock your audio? Let's start with picking the speaker you want to use. Your choice, your sound. Click on the drop-down menu and pick your favorite audio device from the ones your computer has. Don't just pick one, give it a spin. Hit Test Speaker to let some sample audio dance through that device. Dial in that volume to your liking, but don't forget to click Stop. No one wants a never-ending loop of test sounds. Oh, here's a cool trick. You can use a separate audio device for ringtones. That way, incoming calls for Zoom Meetings or Zoom Phone can come through different sources. For instance, you might hear the ringtone through both your headset and computer speakers. Nifty, right? Let's not forget your microphone. Drop down time. Pick your microphone buddy and click Test Mic. Say a quick hello into the mic, and watch those levels dance to your voice's beat. Louder or softer, they've got it covered. Once you've done your mic magic, click Recording to play back what you said. If you're not quite feeling the mic mojo, no worries. Tweak the input volume and test until it's music to your ears. Need a hand with volume adjustments? You can let Zoom do it automatically. But if you're strutting your stuff with a headset, no need to check that box. Last stop, adjust background noise suppression. If you're in a busy hubbub, crank it up to high for that crisp clarity. No more noise playing DJ in your calls. And there you have it. You're now the maestro of your Zoom audio symphony. If you need help or have questions, remember we're here to make your Zoom experience music to your ears.